Welcome to Dinar Current, a historic breakthrough. Iraq to open first full-service bank in the U.S. In a groundbreaking step that could redefine Iraq's role in global finance, the country has announced the opening of its first fully licensed bank on American soil. This marks a turning point not only for the Iraqi dinar but also for international banking relations and currency exchange between Iraq and the United States. This historic initiative, developed over several years, is the result of extensive coordination between Iraq's financial authorities, chiefly the Central Bank of Iraq (CBI), and major U.S. regulatory bodies, including the U.S. Treasury, the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency (OCC), and the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation (FDIC). The upcoming financial institution, which will comply with all U.S. banking regulations, aims to serve a wide array of customers. Services will target individuals, diaspora communities, and corporations involved in trade and infrastructure development. New York City and Houston, Texas, are being considered as possible headquarters for the bank's operations. New opportunities for dinar holders. For years, Iraqi dinar holders, especially those based in the U.S., have struggled with unreliable, unregulated exchange options. The lack of an official Iraqi banking presence in the U.S. forced many to rely on informal brokers, leading to excessive fees and, in some cases, scams. This new bank promises to eliminate those issues by providing direct, secure, and transparent financial services. This institution will offer regulated IQD-to-USD exchanges, multi-currency account options, and remittance services. It will also introduce corporate escrow accounts, blockchain-protected digital wallets, and specialized services for Iraqi nationals abroad, including students, professionals, and expatriates. A broader financial vision. As part of Iraq's 5-year economic reform strategy, the bank is envisioned as a platform for economic modernization. Initially focused on exchange and personal banking, it plans to expand into investment advisory, business loans for Iraqi entrepreneurs in the U.S., and financing reconstruction initiatives in collaboration with American partners. This strategic effort aligns with Iraq's broader goal, transforming the dinar from a speculative investment into a credible, widely accepted international currency, particularly across the Middle East, Asia, and Europe. Global significance and market reform. The announcement comes as Iraq implements sweeping reforms targeting the currency black market, enhancing anti-money laundering laws, and introducing new monetary policies to stabilize the dinar's value. The launch of this U.S.-based bank is expected to boost global confidence in Iraq's currency and financial institutions. In a major boost to its capabilities, the U.S. Federal Reserve has reportedly approved special liquidity channels for the bank. This allows it to process dollar transactions in real time, bypassing traditional delays associated with international wires, making cross-border payments faster and more efficient. Does this signal a dinar revaluation? While the bank's establishment doesn't confirm an imminent revaluation of the dinar, financial analysts view it as a crucial infrastructural step in that direction. It reflects both Iraq's economic readiness and the confidence of U.S. regulators in its transparency and fiscal management. One key feature under discussion is a secure redemption platform for IQD holders. If implemented, it would offer a regulated, traceable method for individuals to redeem their currency with documented proof of purchase, potentially using a tiered rate system depending on volume, documentation, and purchase history. A model for other nations. Global observers, including financial experts and fintech firms, are closely watching Iraq's bold move. If successful, this model could inspire similar developments in other countries with underutilized or restricted currencies, such as Vietnam or Zimbabwe. Technology firms are especially interested in the digital infrastructure possibilities, including cross-border payments, currency tokenization, and blockchain-based banking systems. Integration with platforms like SWIFT, Fedwire, and the Arab payment system positions Iraq's new bank as a financial hub for regional and international collaboration. Symbolizing economic sovereignty. The public response within Iraq has been highly positive. Government leaders, including Prime Minister Mohammed Shia al-Sudani, have praised the initiative as a strategic link between Iraq's economic goals and global markets. He emphasized that Iraq is ready to be seen not through the lens of war or instability, but as a dynamic player in international finance. The U.S. State Department also issued a statement recognizing the bank as a milestone in financial cooperation and a potential stabilizing force for regional economies through enhanced transparency. What Iraqi dinar holders should do now. For those who currently hold Iraqi dinar, this development represents a transition from speculation to concrete financial infrastructure. Here's what you should do. Protect your investment. Store your currency securely and ensure you have documentation, such as receipts and serial numbers. Avoid unofficial offers. Stay clear of unverified brokers or redemption schemes promising early access. Follow official updates. Subscribe to announcements from the Central Bank of Iraq and U.S. financial regulators. Be patient and alert. Full implementation will take time, and details will be released in phases. Don't rush into deals without full information. Looking ahead, while specifics such as the official launch date and exact service offerings are still forthcoming, what's clear is that this is not another speculative rumor. This is a verified, government-approved banking initiative, a major leap forward for Iraq's integration into the global economy. The world is watching closely as Iraq steps into a new financial chapter, one that's unfolding not in Baghdad or Basra, but in the heart of the U.S. financial system.